Got a little bit of a shed here.
Might be worth getting feet wet.
Oh man.
I don't know about this one.
Is it getting deeper as it goes?
Oh yeah.
It's up to Max's nutsack.
It's up to mine.
Hey, what's up, Underlanders? What's up, preppers? What's up, holistic people of planet Earth? I don't know if this YouTube channel is about exploring abandoned mines, prepping, or holistic lifestyle. Any and all of it and above. We're just here to entertain and have fun and do some cool shit. So I went and did another abandoned mine exploration with some friends, and I got some footage and I want to share it with you guys. This video is going to be brought to you by Dirty Miner Apparel. You can go to dirtyminerapparel.com and use code Underlanders to receive 10% off your orders. And we're also brought to you by Rocky Talkies. You can go to rockytalkies.com and use code North Peak Adventures Podcast -10 to receive 10% off your orders. North Peak Adventures is a podcast that I do with my friends Nick and Sydney, where we do mostly just exploring mines and caves and all that cool shit. So you can go check that out. They're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the podcast. So you can check all that stuff out. But regardless, here's another exploration of abandoned mines with some friends. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace. All right, we're off to explore the first mine.
Mines up in Harris County for the group.
Gotcha. Yeah, there's a ton.
Okay, so we're on another explore today. Got a bunch of guys with us, crew, and this mine is flooded. So I had to boot up, suit up. Let's see what's in there.
Maybe a good 3 feet.
Oh boy.
That's a lot, dude.
It'll get pretty slimy too.
Huh?
It's pretty.
I might just say screw it. Bring my wallet outside.
We'll let you know.
There's some metal spikes sticking up right here.
Yeah.
Be pretty careful right here. We got some metal spikes going on.
Might be worth getting feet wet.
Oh man.
I don't know about this one.
Is it getting deeper as it goes?
Oh yeah.
It's up to Max's nutsack.
It's up to mine.
So this one's pretty flooded. It's almost waist deep. So we're taking our time.
The mineralization on the side is glistening.
Okay, I'll have to get a good shot of that.
Got Donald back here behind me.
Just for that light here.
Yeah, it's getting shallower now.
Did you light like that?
Got it.
I don't feel any tracks with my feet.
Mm-mm.
I felt around when it was clear up here, and there's no tracks.
None?
No,
Okay.
not left or right.
Turn around, guys, and take a picture.
All right, so this one didn't go very far. A little T-junction back there. And then a little drift off to the right. And another little, whoa, got a little deep right there.
It drops off pretty heavy right there.
I noticed if you stay to the left,
Yeah.
it's a little bit higher.
Yeah, you'll go down about 4 feet right there for some reason.
It's probably a winds.
I'm trying not to slide so I don't rip my waders.
All right, Max, what did you think of this one?
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, a little deep?
Yeah, probably about 3 to 4 feet deep at some point.
Yeah, it got pretty deep.
Yeah, what I loved about it is the dripping off the ceiling, the formations on the wall, a little bit of a water trickle too off to the side. It was a nice T-bone.
Yeah. And so you went to the left, it just Was it collapsed or it faced out?
It faced out. There was
faced
some
out.
pretty good substantial collapse, though. I mean, on the left-hand side, it got
Yeah, it was
real
coming down.
jagged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Side, right down over the hill, you'll see 2 other mines.
Oh shit. All right, we're at location number 2 now. We got some track going into the adit. Let's go give it a look-see.
Been pre-cut for us.
All right, so the track ends there, but the portal is right there. And someone's been nice enough to cut the bar out for us. Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. All right, so we just came through. There's another one.
Have you figured out how old this mine was?
But it looks at the track, I think it's also 1870s. 1870s track that I see everywhere else.
Oh, we got some stalls here.
So what do they call
We think these are blasting cat pumps.
Let's go.
Going back up. You can use them. Oh, wow, you realize how dark it is when you don't put your lighting.
second line of tracks? I'm standing like right near the ceiling. I feel short.
I got a little bit of a bend coming up here.
I'm sorry for all people that have to come in here.
Got a bat in here. It's like some kind of blast shield or a muck plate or something.
So these are what they call blast shields?
That faces out right there. Hello, Mr. Bat.
Is it still there?
Okay, we are off to find another one. Some water right here.
Sure looks pretty good.
Got a little bit of a shed here. All right, we're at the next one. Check it out.
Oh, dude. You getting footage of this one?
I already did. This is my multi-level mine video.
Oh, God. I want footage with names. If you got a rope and you got something, I'll stay up here. I'm gonna hold it.
And give a shout out to the spikes.
Oh, I got some nice timbering up here.
And another double layer of mine doing some crazy shit.
Is there another drift up there, or is that just for the
I think
Stoping.
I
think that's just for the stupid. So the cat's not here.
It came when we came back in.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, hi.
Give it away.
Oh, darn it. Oh, hi, Mary.
I'm gonna try to scare Jay. Hi, Queen.
And faces out.
I don't know your plans.
Alright, and yet another one. This is a lower adit, it's the one we were just in.
Oh my gosh. This one's even worse.
Oh wow. Holy smokes.
So we were up there. There's the log that was shoved in.
Is there another drift down there?
Yeah, there's 4 levels. The bottom one's completely shut.
Oh wow.
And then, yeah, that goes to the 3rd one. They gutted the heck out of this thing.
That goes up to where we just were.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had an invite to go into another mine. Oh wow.
This is really cool, dude.
Up there
Which
is
way you guys
awesome.
want to go?
When you go up that way, there's like it opens up and then it dips back down where they're cave. It's really
Here?
cool in there, yeah.
Oh wow.
Have you done any recent digging?
Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Oh wow, it just keeps going. Let's see where this goes. Oh yeah, it's collapsed. Oh shoot. So this is the other drift. Did you know this was on the property before you looked at the house?
Oh yeah,
They told you up front?
yeah. This one they made me aware. It was the other 2 they didn't know about, I guess.
And it just faces out right here.
Yeah.
Jumping into holes with.
Yours truly over here.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Speaking of which, and the Holy Ghost,
Max had to dig this one out.
Max is the man. This is a first. Yeah, ain't nobody been in here this one. I can't even tell you how long.
We'll get a little bit of footage
So
of
is
that.
it a vertical one or a
Going in.
I have no idea. I came up here. I saw it one time. Because
Max had to dig this bad boy out. He's
so that was
slowly inching his way down in there. Should be interesting. No one's been in here in a very long time.